Dear students, today we will start the mechanism of nucleophilic substitution reactions. So, mechanism of nucleophilic substitution. Mechanism of nucleophilic substitution reactions. We have explained that is chlorobenzene that has been treated with NaOH or NaNH2 or CuCN, Na plus OH minus, nucleophile is OH minus. Then NaNH2, Na plus, NH2 minus, that is amide ion, nucleophile, Cu plus Cn minus, nucleophile. So in all these cases, the chlorine atom will get replaced by that nucleophiles. In this case, OH minus. In this case, chlorine atom is replaced by that NH2 minus. Chloride, that is Cl, that is replaced by that Cn minus. So the products are, that is phenol, aniline, and that is your benzonitrile or cyanobenzene. But today we will start how that reaction that takes place. What is the mechanism of that reaction? Regarding the mechanism of that reaction, so the nucleophilic substitution reaction that may occur through that bimolecular substitution or that is elimination addition. Elimination addition reaction, bimolecular substitution reaction, elimination addition reaction, that is known as benzene mechanism. Bimolecular substitution reaction, another that is elimination addition reaction, that is otherwise known as benzene mechanism. So we will discuss one by one, that is bimolecular substitution, then elimination addition or benzene mechanism. How that chlorine atom that is replaced by that nucleophiles like OH minus, NH2 minus, Cn minus, regarding the mechanism of that reaction. So the first one, bimolecular substitution reaction. So regarding the bimolecular substitution reactions that is taking place in case of nucleophilic substitution of that haloarenes, that is chlorobenzene. Let us take that is halogen, that is X. X is the halogen, and nucleophile, that is Nu minus, that is nucleophile, that may be OH minus, Cn minus, or that is NH2 minus. So this nucleophile will substitute that X. X atom will get substituted by that nucleophile. Here X is, that is chlorine, bromine, iodine. The order is I greater than Br greater than Cl. So regarding the replacement, so X atom that will be substituted by that nucleophiles like OH minus, Cn minus, NH2 minus. These are the nucleophiles. OH minus, Cn minus, NH2 minus. X, that is a halogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So this chlorine atom or bromine atom or iodine, these are the minus I groups, electron withdrawing groups. So electron density that becomes less in the ring, particularly at this position. So the nucleophile will attack to this point. Nucleophile will attack to this point, and this bond will be shifted to this one. X, that is nucleophile, negative charge, double bond, double bond. This is the nucleophilic attack. Nucleophile will attack to this carbon atom to which the X atom that is attached. Nucleophile will attack to the carbon atom to which X atom is attached, because at this particular point electron density that becomes less. So nucleophile is attached to this carbon and this bond will be shifted to this. Next one, this is resonance stabilized, negative charge, bond is shifted. Double bond, X, nucleophile, negative charge, double bond. Again negative charge is shifted to bond, bond is shifted to next atom. And the resonance hybrid for this one, here X that is the halogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and NU nucleophile, Cn minus, OH minus, etc. So electron density that becomes more, that is negative charge. This is negative charge that is present in the ring. Electron density that becomes more at the ring. So next one, this is the slow step. This is the slow step and rate determining step. Slow step and rate determining step. So nucleophile will attack to the haloarine or chlorobenzene or bromobenzene at the point of this carbon to which the halogen that is attached, and these are the resonance stabilized structures. And in the second step, this is the step 1, step 1, step 2. X, that is nucleophile, that is first step, this is removed as X minus. So this is a two-step mechanism. This is a two-step mechanism. In the step 1, nucleophile will attack to this carbon atom to which the halogen is attached, that is resonance stabilization, that is the slow step and rate determining step. We have mentioned what are those X, that is chlorine, bromine, iodine, what are that Nu minus, that nucleophile, that may be OH minus, Cn minus, NH2 minus, etc. And this is the order of removal of this group. That is how this X atom that is removed, I greater than Br greater than Cl. And in the second step, that is the first step, this X atom that is removed in the form of the X minus by taking this bond pair of electrons. So X atom that is replaced by that X atom that is replaced by that nucleophile. This is the first step. As the first step or step 1, that is the slow step, step 1 that is the slow step, that is rate determining step. So at the rate determining step, there is the involvement of two species, that is aryl halide and nucleophile. Therefore that is bimolecular. At the rate determining step, we know that the slow step that is defined as the rate determining step. Whenever the reaction that takes place by taking so many steps, the slowest step is treated as rate determining step. And at the rate determining step, there is the involvement of two species. One is that is nucleophile and another that is the aryl halide. This is power 1 and nucleophile that is power 1. Nucleophile power 1, therefore the name is bimolecular reaction. Bimolecular, so 1 plus 1 that is 2, therefore the name is bimolecular. Because at the rate determining step, there is the involvement of two species, that is aryl halide and nucleophile. So rate of the reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of that aryl halide and concentration of that nucleophile. Therefore that is defined as bimolecular mechanism. So this is the bimolecular substitution reactions, the mechanism of nucleophilic substitution that is explained by bimolecular substitution mechanism. Next we'll say what is that benzene mechanism. Next one, that is benzene mechanism. Benzene mechanism. Benzene mechanism, that is elimination, addition mechanism. Elimination, addition mechanism. Benzene mechanism, that is elimination, addition mechanism. So how this reaction that takes place, for example, we have to give a particular example of this kind, that is chlorobenzene that has been treated with NaNH2 sodamide, strong base, strong nucleophile. So there is the formation of aniline and NaCl. There is the formation of aniline and NaCl. So this reaction that takes place in liquid NH3, liquid ammonia. How this reaction that takes place? So this is benzene mechanism. One of the reaction intermediate that is formed, that is benzene. Reaction intermediate, that is short life period, that is benzene mechanism. That is benzene, that is the intermediate. Reaction intermediate that is produced. How that is produced? In the first step, that is elimination. In the first step, that is elimination, then addition. Therefore, the name is elimination addition reaction. In the first step, elimination means removal of the atom or group that takes place. In the second step, that is addition that takes place. Therefore, the name is elimination addition mechanism. So, how that reaction that takes place? Chlorine, there is the presence of that hydrogen in this case, that is NaNH2 that gives rise to Na plus and NH2 minus, that is a nucleophile. So this reaction that is elimination addition. First we will say how that elimination that takes place. NH2 minus that will take out this H as H plus. NH2 minus strong base that will take out this H as H plus. So this bond pair of electron that is shifted to this one and this bond will be shifted. That is elimination addition. Elimination. First elimination of H, elimination of Cl. Except this carbon atom, all the carbon atom that contain hydrogen. Except this point, all the rest of all the carbon atom that contain hydrogen to satisfy the tetravalence nature of that carbon. So hydrogen atom from the carbon atom nearby to the chlorine, carbon containing chlorine, that is removed as H plus by that NH2 minus. NH2 minus that will take out that H in the form of H plus. So this bond pair of electron is shifted to this bond, then the formation of another bond. This bond pair of electron is shifted to chlorine atom. So there is the formation of benzene, that is reaction intermediate. sp2 hybridized carbon atom, which has the ability to form bond, that is NH3 plus Cl minus, NH2 minus H plus, NH3 then Cl minus, that is benzene. There is the formation of benzene. In this case, carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. Mark this one. You may predict that the carbon atom is sp hybridized, but this carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridized, that is hybrid orbital that has the ability to form pi bond. Therefore, that is how, that is intermediate, that is very reactive. In this case, the hybrid orbitals are involved in the process of that pi bond formation, that is benzene. Very weak overlap very less overlap, therefore this bond is weaker, and this substance that is very reactive and known as reaction intermediate, that is obtained by the elimination process. We have explained that is elimination. Next one, that is addition. So benzene that is added with NH2 minus. We have taken that sodamide NH2 minus. So this is added to this one. This bond again that is shifted to this carbon atom. There is the formation of NH2, this becomes negative charge. This bond para-piloton is shifted to this carbon atom, means that acquires negative charge. NH2 minus, that is along with that negative charge, means along this bond para-piloton that will attach to this one, there is the linkage of that is carbon to NH2 bond, carbon to NH2 bond. This bond is shifted to this carbon atom that acquires negative charge. So in the third step, NH2, this is negative charge, plus NH3. NH3 we have obtained that NH3 in this case. So that NH3 again that has the ability to provide that H plus. NH3 has the ability to provide that H plus. So that the formation of bond. H plus is accepted at this position. NH2 plus NH2, that is minus. NH3 that will provide that H plus to this position. H plus and negative charge, hydrogen atom is attached to this position. We are not mentioning auto, that is auto indication. There is the presence of hydrogen atom in all these positions. So NH3, after the removal of that H plus, after the addition of H plus to this side, that remains as NH2 minus. So these two steps, that is addition, this step that is elimination. That is elimination of H and Cl to form that benzene, and these two, that is NH2 is added, bond is shifted, and NH3, from NH3 H plus is added, and there is the formation of aniline. This is how the reaction that takes place. This is regarding the mechanism of that nucleophilic substitution reaction. We have explained that is as bimolecular substitution, where there is the involvement of that is haloarine and the nucleophile in the slow step. In the first step we have explained, and this is the second one, that is benzene mechanism, because the reaction that proceeds through the benzene, which will act as reaction intermediate, that is having very short life period. Immediately after the formation of that benzene, that reacts, that is added with NH2 minus to form this one. Again that is that will take away this H plus to form that aniline. So the first step, that is elimination, and second step, that is addition. Therefore the name is elimination addition mechanism, otherwise known as benzene mechanism. The question is, why benzene that is having short life period, why that will act as that reaction intermediate? Because in this case, in all these cases, the carbon atom in this sp2, all this is carbon atom, that is sp2 hybridized. So sp2 hybridized carbon atom, in this case sp2 hybridized carbon atom, that is involved in the process of that pi bond formation. Mark this, that the presence of three bonds, that is triple bond. One should be sigma, rest to be pi. One should be, that is one is sigma, rest to are pi. But this pi bond that is produced by, that is sp2 hybrid orbitals. sp2 hybrid little overlapping, therefore very less stable bond which can break easily. Therefore that is known as reaction intermediate. So this is how we have explained regarding the nucleophilic substitution reactions that is taking place in case of that is aryl halides. In the coming class, we will see the rest portions of this chapter. Thank you all.